Cooking General here. Today we're going to do breakfast in a basket. Now, the most important part of eating in the day is your breakfast. And you want a good, big breakfast to eat. But you don't, a lot of people eat Hot Pockets and all that little stuff. But I'm going to show you a breakfast in a basket. Now, to make this here, this is what we're going to do. Alright, now, we got some grade A large eggs. We're going to use some grade A large eggs. Use your favorite pan sausage. But in this case, we're going to use some old pork pan sausage. We're also going to use Rotel. And since the pan sausage is already hot, as you can see, we're going to use this original. Unless you want it hotter, you can go ahead and go and get the hotter Rotel. Okay, now we're going to need some Crescent biscuits. Now this is not biscuits, it's like a dough sheet. It lays out flat, so you're going to need that. You're also going to need some Philadelphia cream cheese. Now you get Philadelphia cream cheese, but this is a Hot Top brand here. It's a little cheaper. Save you a little money. And so it's the black pepper is Hot Top. I'm going to save you. And then on some salt, that's Parade. I'm going to save you. And then some Parade spray. So this is going to be a cheap breakfast. But it's going to be made good. It's going to be a breakfast in a basket. Breakfast in a basket. You better ask somebody.
You better bag up.
Okay. Oh, back to the Cooking General. Breakfast in a basket. Hey, you gonna look, hold up. Okay, now get over here and let me show you something. Look at that. Now, I got my pan sausage in the skillet, it's brown. Now I'm gonna put my cream cheese on it. You take your cream cheese, you open that bad boy up, and you put that cream cheese off in there. You put all that cream cheese in there, get everything out of there. Put that cream cheese in there. Get it in there. We're going to melt the cream cheese in there. And when we get this cream cheese in there and get it melted, then we're going to have an egg. Get it, and if you can't get it all out there, then what you do. Let me show you this here. A little secret. Lick it. Because I ain't wasting nothing. Cooking General. You better ask somebody. Okay, now we got our cream cheese, now meat over there cooking. So now you want to take your, I got me 5 eggs in here. You want to take your 5 eggs, you want to beat them up. I just stir that booger like that there. You want to add a little black pepper to your eggs. Just shake your little black pepper in there. Ain't got to be nothing major. It's going to be seasoned because you're using pan sausage. Put your little salt in there like that. Scramble your eggs up like that. Beat them down. And then you bring them over here. And you add them to the mix. There you go. Put them eggs in there. I wish to get all of it. Okay, now we're gonna scramble the eggs up, and just in a few minutes we're gonna get the eggs scrambled, and then we're gonna add our Rotel. Matter of fact, let's add the Rotel right now. It ain't like it's gonna hurt nothing. We're gonna put the Rotel in there and scramble all this up, and we're gonna get all this here scrambled. And I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this here breakfast in a basket. Cooking General. Now, you want to open up your crescent dough style roll. You want to get this here thing open up, and you want to get your pan. You want to spray your pan down so it don't stick. You know what I'm saying? And use foil. That way you ain't got to even wipe. And then you already know you got to hit them boogers on the table, and you roll your dough out. And we're going to roll this dough out into a flat surface, and I'll come back and I'll let y'all know how it happens. Cooking General. Woo, man. I'm getting a little woozy. But anyway, hey, we got the dough, we got it flattened out, and we got our stuff here. This is how it looks. Now you take this here, you put it off in your dough. There you go. See? Put it off in your dough, just like that. Come on, a pig and a blanket and all this here, Hot Pockets and all that. This is going to be your meal of choice. This is what you're going to use. And now, we're going to take it and we're going to wrap this up, and we're going to put this in the oven and bake it. Now, I'll come back and show you how it look. So you better ask somebody. Cooking General. All right, we back. Man, look at it. Man, breakfast in a basket. Now, you got your bread there. You just put your little cheese whiz on that booger. Like that. Look at that. And then you just put that cheese whiz on it. Cut this booger open. Look at that. Look at all that meat in there. Look at that. Look at all that. Man, come on. Man, you got your cream cheese, your Rotel, everything, your breakfast, your whole biscuit, everything is in there. That is